Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the life in the desert. Children, do you remember last class we had discussed about the life in the desert? Regarding the life in the desert, we have discussed about introduction, about the Sahara Desert and the flora and fauna, climatic conditions, people, and what are their activities. Clear? Now, in this class, we will take as a Ladakh this year. It is a cold desert. So, Sahara is a hot desert, and example we take the cold desert is. Cold desert. You can say it is a cold desert. Right? Example, Ladakh is a cold desert which is situated in the Greater Himalayas. Ladakh is a cold desert which is situated in the Greater Himalayas. If you see the Greater Himalayas, Karakoram is in the eastern part and the Jaskar range in the southern region. Jaskar range, it is in the southern region. And Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Here if we see Ladakh, we take it L-A-D-A-K. Ladakh means Ladakh means La. La means what? La means it is a mountain pass. La. Ladakh. Take it okay. La means mountain pass. Mountain pass. Dog. Dog means country. Dog means country. So Ladakh means mountain country. Mountain country, Ladakh. So this Ladakh is considered as a cold desert, which is situated in the Greater Himalayas, in the northeast Karakoram range, and towards south Jaskar range. Okay, and even if you see here, in between, there is so many river valleys. It flows through it. Important river, Indus. Indus flows through these ranges, Karakoram as well as Jaskar range, and makes river steep valleys and gorges and glaciers. The important glacier here is Gangri Glacier is the most important glacier. If you see the altitude of this range, 3000 meters in Kargil and 8000 meters height in the Karakoram range. That much high it is located, Ladakh. You can find here extreme cold climate conditions. Extreme cold climate conditions, 40 degrees centigrade and minus even 30 degrees centigrade winter. Extreme cold climate conditions. That is the reason. Right? Even if you see the flora and fauna here, because of the more moisture and cold climate conditions, we can find the plants like various plants. Like most important plant is apples, apricots, walnuts. These are the most important plants which you can identify in the Ladakh region because of the extreme cold climatic conditions. Which are the important plants? That is, you can say flora. Yes, you can say flora in this cold desert, one is apples, apricots, and walnuts. These are the major, I mean to say plantations, or you can say vegetation. Main important plants can be identified in the cold desert. Apples, apricots, and walnuts. These are the common vegetation and common plants which will be grown in the Ladakh region. When you come to the fauna, is important animals. Yes, cold bearing wings. So here, bear. Bear is the most important animal, and yak. You know, yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak is the most, and bear. Bear. Yak and bear are the common animals in this region, Ladakh region, as per the flora as well as fauna is concerned. Flora as well as fauna concerned. These are the two type of animals normally can be identified in the higher altitudes. Polar bear, polar fox, and even leopard and yak. Yak is the most important animal, which can be identified in the cold desert. Important animals. Of course, here all people are mixed here. Especially in the Ladakh region, you can see both you can find Buddhists as well as Muslims as well as Hindus, even Christians. All the four types of communities are living in this region. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries are dot Ladakh landscape with the traditional gompas. Gompas means houses, which they construct like buildings. They call it as a gompas. All these four communities of people which lives in this Ladakh region, and Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Leh is the capital of Ladakh, and here. This Leh from Ladakh, yes, this is well connected with the both road as well as rail. Both road as well as railways. Even if you take A1, 1A road connects from Leh to Kashmir. Through Zojila Pass. Children, what is pass? Pass is nothing but as a gap between the two mountain ranges. Today, as a pass, PA as a pass. Pass is a gap between two steep slopes or two mountain valleys or two mountain ranges. So, who can go from one place to another place by crossing the valleys, by crossing these mountains. We call it the pass. So in this Himalayan region, there are various passes. Zojila Pass, Shipkila Pass, Nathula Pass, Bomdela Pass, Baringla Pass. So there are many passes. So here, there is a pass called Zojila Pass. Z-O-J-I-L-A, Zojila Pass. So this pass is passing through Leh to Kargil. Zojila Pass, which is passing through Leh to Kashmir valley through Zojila Pass. Yes. That is 1A road connects from Leh to Kashmir. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. So from Leh to Kashmir, which road we connect? 1A. For example, when you take about national highways, which is the biggest national highway in the country? NH7. NH7. NH7 is the largest national highway. It is 2,369 kilometers, starting from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. The largest, or you can say longest national highway in the country. The longest national highway in the country is NH number 7. NH number 7. It starts from where? Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Varanasi, Jabalpur, okay, Mathura, no. Then come to Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kanyakumari, Madurai and Kanyakumari. So it goes via different places. So all the places we have to look at the map. If you see, look at the map and identify Varanasi, Mathura, okay. Then come to Maharashtra. Then come to Hyderabad, AP. Then Bangalore. Then Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Then last one is Kanyakumari. So it passes through many states. The longest NH in India is NH number 7. Starts from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. So here, from Leh to Kashmir, 1A NH, 1A road connects from Leh to Kashmir through Zojila Pass. I said, what is pass? The most important question for UPS examinations. There are various passes. They will ask you, so and so Zojila Pass, Bomdila Pass, Nathula Pass, Shipkila Pass. Where these passes are located? Which state so and so pass is located? Right? So here noted Zojila Pass. So Zojila Pass is through Zojila Pass 1A roadways connecting from Leh to Kashmir through Zojila Pass, where it is in Ladakh. This is the, so it is well connected with the network of roadways as well as railways. Of course, this is one of the most important scenic beauty, as you know. Most of the people, tourist people who come from the different countries, different places, day-to-day life, thousands of people visiting this. It is a scenic beauty place in the country, Ladakh, because it is completely bounded with the great Himalayas. So this is the life conditions of in the old desert region. Right? Of course, climatic conditions on it is similar. When you compare with this hot desert, that is Sahara desert, and the cold desert, here extreme hot, and whereas here extreme cold. Right? Of course, here the hot desert region, here people are tribes. Most of the people are here tribal people who keep on searching the food, for hunting, for collecting the food. Whereas here the people are, most of them are pilgrims or inhabited monasteries, constructed and is settled. People who wish get life, thousands of people visited this beautiful scenic of Ladakh region because of the hill ranges, because of the beautiful Himalayas. As you know, Himalayas are the most famous mountains in the world. Like these Himalayas, there are various mountains across the globe. Examples: Rocky Mountains, Appalachian Mountains. Okay, Himalayan Mountains, Drakensberg Mountains, Siberian Plains, Brazilian Highlands. There are various mountains. So it has its own name. So this is the topic of life in the desert. This is the last topic, children. This is chapter number 10. It is the life in the desert. the same time, when you think about desert, yes, you should know all the deserts. Name the deserts which are situated in different continents. Kalahari Desert, where it is Africa. Kalahari Desert, where? Africa, in South Africa. And Sahara Desert is North Africa. Almost two are here. And Patagonia Desert, where it is Africa. Atacama Desert, it is in South America. The Great Australian Sandy Desert, Australia. Mongolia Desert, it is Mongolia. Iranian Desert, it is Iran. So you should know about the different names, different deserts, where it is situated, which continent. So it will be useful for your GK. Right? So these are the life conditions of desert. Yeah, or desert and cold desert. You can compare these two deserts. Right? Next we will discuss about these exercises on the topic. Clear? Thank you.